We are a not-for-profit organization working for the Mizo tribal community in Mizoram who are striving for their survival.
The families we help are financially struggling to survive on severely low income. They do not have regular access to basic needs and they are unable to pay rent or afford education.
We are currently supporting hundreds of families in Aizawl, learning and devising solutions to each family. Because of their severe lack of any reasonable alternative income, the families are exposed to exploitation. We work to decrease the vulnerability of these families. Your contributions will provide children from these families with access to education and access to food and water. We ask you not to ignore the exploitation and struggles. Your small donation could mean a better standard of living for below poverty line families.